Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a subscription box unboxing. So this is a box that I actually showed you guys like, I think it was like a year ago. But it is a fragrance, so perfume subscription service, and it is for men and women. So if you and your hubby want to both subscribe, he'll get colognes and you'll get some awesome perfumes. And this is just perfect for those of you guys that are obsessed with fragrance, those of you guys that love collecting or trying new fragrance or trying to find your perfect perfume. Any of the above. If you like perfume, this box is for you and it's super affordable. So they did send me this box. They were kind enough to send me this box. Thank you so much. And I wanted to share it with you. So it comes in like a little box like this. Nothing special. I mean, there's my mail information in the front. So just a tiny little box. It is $15 a month and you get a month supply of a travel size perfume. And what you do is you go on the website and you kind of put in like your preferences, things that you like, things you don't like, and then try to match you up. And every month they'll match you up with a different one. And so it's really, really cool. And I'll link them off down below. I love this. I love this concept. I've gotten their box one time before and I love it because they don't just send you a travel size perfume. They send you a travel size perfume and they also send you a container, a travel size container where you can put it in there and store it. And the awesome thing about it is that the case that it comes in, it's totally spill proof. I'm always worried about taking my perfumes in my purse, even the travel size ones, because I'm worried that the top will come off or that it will just start to spray or that it will just unscrew and leak, and I don't want my wallet leaked all over. So this, I'm going to show you in a second. These are absolutely amazing because they screw open, you can spray, it screws back in, and the spray will go inside the container, so there's no way that it's going to leak. And also to replace it monthly, because it is reusable and it's really, really nice. You replace it monthly whenever your next perfume comes in, and it's just really, really easy to do. You just basically unscrew it and pop it out, and then you can put your other one in there. So it's really, really easy. And quarterly they also will send you a new one of those reusable containers that like in a different color. So it's really, really fun. So let's get into this box. It's super cheap if it's your first time trying the box. I'm pretty sure they have like a discount for first time triers. But anyways, you open your box up and it comes like this, and it has a little tiny, you know, like the little cards that they do where all their information, telling you about it, thank you for becoming a member kind of stuff. Then there's also a little instruction luxury scent box. Did I even tell you the name? This is the luxury scent box. I am so sorry. This is a luxury scent box that we're talking about. There's a lot of different scent boxes. This one is my personal favorite because I just love those little containers. It's just, I don't know. There's something about it that I just really, really love. And so it tells you instructions on how to open it, how to pop it out and refill yours. So super, super easy. And then inside comes your luxury scent. And so they sent me two to try. So I'm gonna be sharing them with you. So let's just start getting into it. I will also, after I try these, I'll show you the one that they sent me a year ago. I still have that container and everything. So this is kind of what the little box looks like that it comes with. It's just like luxuryscentbox.com. And so this is what I'm talking about. It's just beautiful. This one happens to be purple, and it's just super easy to carry in your purse, and you kind of open it like this, kind of like a lipstick, and it sprays, and then you can just pop it out if you need to pop it out. This one that they sent me, because like I said, I don't know which ones they were gonna send me. This one's the Tokyomilk Dark Tainted Love 62. So I'll kind of read to you guys what the notes are on this one. I looked it up because I wanted to share it with you. So they sent us 0.30 fluid ounces. Okay, so this is what kind of the details are on this particular scent. It says the fragrance reveals in the complexities of love with warm notes of dark vanilla bean, sensuous sandalwood, provocative spices, and an unexpected kiss of sweet orchid. Dare to pair these fragrances with an exotic floral for a sweet and sultry scent. So the notes are dark vanilla bean, sparkling citrus, orchid, white tea, sandalwood, tonka bean, and yeah, it's supposed to be dramatic and daring. And I'm not gonna lie, this is the only one I've smelled, and it smells so beautiful, and it smells, oh, I can definitely smell the like the sandalwood in there, and just it's true, it is kind of like a sexy scent. I don't know, it's a really beautiful scent, and I'm actually really loving this, and I love the purple in the bottle. Okay, the next one they sent me this this green one, which is a beautiful green, and this is what I'm talking about. Quarterly they'll send you a different container, and so you can have like a little collection of different ones. You can pick which ones you want to take with you, that kind of stuff. So I haven't opened this one yet. Let's take this one out. This one is the Viva La Juicy Glace by Juicy Couture. So I'm gonna look that up real quick so I can tell you the notes in it before I smell it. Okay, so Viva La Juicy Glace. So let's smell this. Wow, this smells really feminine, really beautiful. This is totally like, that one's like a sexy for like a sexy date night, but this one I would wear every day. It's like a beautiful, a little bit flowery scent, but it's not too overpowering. I'm not a big floral scent person because I feel like it's too much. Like it's too much scent. But this one is a nice mix that I would totally wear this every day. It smells girly, feminine, not girly as in like a teenager, but you know what I mean? Like it smells very lady-like and very beautiful. So it says the fragrance family is floral. It is fruity florals. The keynotes are mandarin, jasmine petals, and sandalwood. I love sandalwood. And it basically says everything is cooler, crisper, and more concentrated when it's iced. Just like the dazzling Viva girl who adds a touch of iridescence to everyday life. Glace transforms the expected and heightens the senses. It opens with sparkling freshness, bursting with brilliant frozen mandarin and refreshing pear sorbet. Beneath a blanket of snow white jasmine petals, scrumptious vanilla and milky sandalwood create comforting warmth to contrast the alluring frosted sensation. Okay, so it's mandarin, jasmine petal, and sandalwood. Interesting. So that's probably why I like it. I do like fruity and floral together, and the sandalwood is absolutely amazing. Oh, this is a beautiful scent. I wish you guys could like smell it with me. I think I'm gonna wear this one today, and we'll see how long this one lasts. Okay, so these are the two that I got today. Okay, and so I'll show you guys what the one I got last time. So it came in like a little bag like this, and I had gotten a gold and black one, and this one, like I told you guys before, has been one of my absolute favorites since I got it. So this one is the Prada Candy is what this one is, and I'll read you guys the notes for that one just because it's one of my favorites, and it's the first one that I tried and I was like, oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so the notes on this one, it's supposed to be a seductive scent. Okay, it's caramel, musk, vanilla, and benzoin. It's supposed to be carefree, sophisticated, and sensual. So if that sounds like you, this could be for you. This is just such a girly, like beautiful, like sweet scent. Candy is the appropriate name because it's really sweet. It says Prada Candy takes us on a walk on the wild side, showing us our new facet of Prada. Magnified by white musks, noble benzoin comes together with a modern caramel accord to give the fragrance a truly unique signature. So I absolutely love this one. This one smells really good. Very different, very sweet scent. There you go. So you see 3 of the different options of these that you can possibly get in your box. Guys, if you're a fragrance lover, if you want to try fragrances, this is just such a great way to do it. $15 a month, and you can cancel at any time. So this is awesome. This is also a great kind of gift for hubby. I've actually thought about giving him a gift of a scent box so we can try it, because he's someone that loves fragrances, but he's someone that is so undecisive. He doesn't know, and he likes trying new things. And so I'm thinking about getting him for his birthday, a subscription, and he gets to try a new cologne every single month. He can smell different. He can just find something that he really likes, because he needs to find something different. He's been having the same cologne for I don't even know how long. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys really liked it. I'll put all the information down below if you are so interested. I love sharing different kind of boxes here with you guys. And I know there are a lot of you guys that are like me that love trying new fragrances but don't want to go out and spend $90 on a bottle or go out to Sephora and try to smell everything. And you just, you know, there's certain things that you know that you like, you can put into the survey and it will send you a perfume that it thinks that you will like, and you can just try different ones out. I don't know, I'm obsessed with subscription services right now. So I hope you guys like this video. Give me a big old fat thumbs up if you like seeing subscription unboxings. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.